In this video, I will show you how to use a Roblox gift card on iPhone. You cannot actually do it from within the app. Instead, you will need to open up Safari or any other browser, and from there just search for roblox.com/redeem. And when you go to that link, you will need to sign into your account, which I have already done. And from there, you can then see the box that says code, where you can then enter your gift card code. So type it in here and then go and check the box under that. And then you will need to check the box under that. And then once you click redeem, it will be added to your account. Then when you go back to the Roblox app and click on the Roblox icon in the top right, you will then be able to find the money in your balance, which you can then use to buy whatever you want right here. So that's how to use a Roblox gift card on iPhone. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.